Ahoy, matey! I'm Jason Newlander with Treasure Island Reimagined. We've been workshopping our show at the Alamo Drafthouse Cinema in Austin. The audiences, for the most part, don't know we're going to do our thing. They think they're just there to see a movie. But we poll that audience after every performance, and here's what they have to say.
I liked it.
The artwork I loved.
Amazing. I thought that was incredible.
I thought that was so fun.
Never seen anything like it.
I thought it was awesome.
I did the story. It was really good.
Gonna be evil? Are they gonna team up? Who knows? I'm excited to find out.
You too can find out when you see the show in its glorious entirety. Simply click on the link below for tickets. Come aboard and sail with us on the adventure of a lifetime. Please be sure to like, follow, subscribe, etc. Plenty of behind-the-scenes content to come. And don't be afraid to reach out and say hi.